Time to appreciate. A person who's appreciated will always do more than what he's expected to do. Because appreciation is life's greatest motivator. Now, more than ever, people need to be shown some appreciation for their incredible sacrifice and work they perform every day. When we take time to let people know that we value them, it inspires them to continue to do even more and reinforces the habit for other people to do so. Treat an individual as he is and he will end up being as he is. Treat him as if he is what he ought to be. He will become what he ought to be. Time to appreciate. Keep rocking.